In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kanban view. If you manage tasks or projects, Kanban gives you a clear visual way to see work moving from start to finish. Think of it as a series of columns that represent stages like to do, in progress, and done, with each task represented as a card you can move as its status changes. Start by opening your board. This is your project's home base, where all your items or tasks already live. If you're following along, it helps if your board includes a status column because the Kanban view organizes cards by that status. Don't worry if your status names are a little different. What matters is that one column tracks progress through distinct stages. Next, click the plus Add View button. Views don't change your data, they just present the same information in different layouts so you can focus on what matters. Adding a view creates a dedicated space you can switch to whenever you want that visual workflow. From the list of available layouts, select Kanban. The system will rearrange your items into vertical columns that reflect stages of work. This layout is designed to help you quickly understand where each task sits in the process and how balanced the workload is across the team. When prompted, choose the status column to organize cards. This tells the Kanban view which field controls the columns. If your board uses a different label for the progress field, simply pick the column that best represents where a task is in its life cycle. Once selected, your tasks will automatically populate the appropriate columns based on their current status. Now use drag and drop to update progress. Grab a card and move it to the next column as work advances. As soon as you drop it, the underlying status on that item updates, so everyone viewing the board stays in sync without any extra clicks or data entry. It's fast, it's visual, and it reduces the chance of something slipping through the cracks. A few quick tips for smooth use. Move one task at a time so changes remain intentional. Glance across the columns to spot bottlenecks where too many cards pile up. And keep your status stages simple so the flow stays clear. The Kanban view is most effective when it mirrors your real process, helping you prioritize, focus, and finish. That's it. Open your board, add a view, select Kanban, choose the status column, and drag cards to reflect real progress. You'll have a clean live snapshot of your work from start to finish.